Welcome to Max in 5. I'm going to teach you some cool stuff inside 3ds Max in under 5 minutes. Ever been inside your scene and you need to zoom around, and as you zoom with the mouse button, it kind of just gives you that jagged zoom in and out? Well, the best way to do this actually is to hold in Control, holding the Alt key together. So Control plus Alt, then holding the middle mouse button. And then if you scroll your mouse forward and backwards, you actually get a really smooth zoom in. That's the best way to zoom in, especially if you're trying to get somewhere close. So what we do is we turn around, click on our object. We can obviously press the Z or Z, zoom into that object, and then with holding in the Alt, Control, middle mouse button, you can actually pan as close as you want, as opposed to having this jagged zoom in and out. Next, I'd like to show you how to change the unit setup inside 3ds Max. Very, very simple. Go to Customize. Make sure to go to Units Setup. Once that is loaded, you can choose between the US Standard or the Metric. Make sure you choose one of these. You don't want to be working in generic units. That is not a measurement. Once you're happy, make sure you click the OK button. And the last tip is Max actually has a search function a lot of people don't know about. Pressing the X on your keyboard pops up this awesome menu. You can type literally anything that you want in here. Let's start off by just saying box, and as I click on box, you'll see on my right hand side the menu is completely empty. As I click on box, it takes me to that area. Once you've drawn it in, you can do further functions. For example, if I press X, then type in turbo smooth, as I click on that, it actually puts the modifier there for you. So if there's a function or a tool or even a menu that you don't know where it is, pressing the X on the keyboard will get you there quickly. And if you are looking for a full comprehensive course that teaches 3ds Max from the absolute beginning for the ArcViz industry, check out my course at vizcourse.com.